I get this kind of message a lot. How can I get clients on Facebook? As you know, you can't send thousands of people message on Facebook without getting your account banned. But what you don't know is there's a way to do it. Sending people message, Facebook users message, but not on Messenger. We do this on email. This is going to be full tutorial guide how to send thousands of people message on Facebook without having Facebook account. Step 1. Open email word scraper. Choose your target country. Select Facebook. This tool is going to dive into Facebook and collect data from Facebook, email and phone numbers. When you are done extracting, export it to verification. Our verification help you delete invalid email, making sure that all your email is accuracy, helping you to land your message to inbox. Step 3 is sending message to these people. Our SMTP built-in email sender help you send thousands of messages by just importing the email list you just verified now to the sender. Step 3. Open our email sender built-in SMTP. You don't need to buy any external SMTP. It comes with SMTP on its own. There's two important features to use to make sure you send thousands of people message right away. Contact and message. Contact is where you import thousands of email addresses we just scraped now. And we are seeing me importing the contact list on a group. After importing the contact list, click message. Choose to send email. Scroll all the way to down. Compose your message. Add your reply to where you want people to respond to you. And now you can go ahead and click send. This is a way to send thousands of people message from Facebook without you even having Facebook account. These three tools is email extractor, email verification, and SMTP built-in email sender. You get these three products on our store. We have our own app store, Solobrandin.store. If you go to our store right now, it's only 3 products on the store for now. All you have to do is just purchase all of them and use it the same way I use it on this video.